Want to add an extra layer of security to your domain? How to activate DNSSEC on Namecheap in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Namecheap account and head to your domain list. Find the domain you want to secure and click Manage. And now go to the Advanced DNS tab. Scroll down until you see the DNSSEC section. If you're using Namecheap's basic DNS or premium DNS, just click the Enable DNSSEC button. Namecheap will automatically generate the necessary keys and publish them. No manual setup required. If you're using custom DNS or third-party name servers, you'll need to copy the DNSSEC records from your provider and manually input them here. Once DNSSEC is enabled, it helps you protect your domain from spoofing or hijacking by verifying DNS responses with cryptographic signatures. And that's really it. Your domain is now more secure. And if this helped, like the video, subscribe for more quick domain tips, and comment if you want guides on SSL, redirect, or email setup next. And if you have any comment or any questions about any topics that you want to go ahead and make me want to make a video on about, well, just drop them in the comment below. I'll come back with a new video or anything that really fits the question. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.